Ashley. I'm here with another little mini PR unboxing. I've got 3 items here today. One, I'm super excited. So, this is only part of what I received. I received 2. So, this is from a company called Commercial Silk Flowers. I'm going to link to them down below. And they have, when they first reached out to me, I was like, ooh, cool. Maybe like a ficus or something like to put in my house. And then I saw that they had wreaths to decorate with, and like literally hundreds of gorgeous, beautiful wreaths. I wanted to get one that was kind of all year, not just one season. For like in between, because I have ones for all the holidays, but I wanted one for like the in between. So this is what I went with. And I got 2. You get 2 in a pack for a lot of them. So here it is. It is so gorgeous. I'm going to do a full review below because I do think their website is just so, I could just sit and look through it for hours. All right. Hold on. I think it's like the other one was like attached inside. Can you see it? Oh, it's lavender. Isn't it beautiful? There's some like gel silica. Oh, it looks real. Isn't it gorgeous? So what does it say? So it's all state floral. And like, I just think they look so realistic. Now, they have bigger ones. They have ones that are like floral, petals, stuff. Oh my gosh. There's such an assortment. But this was like my ultimate favorite. I did almost get a cherry blossom because like right around the time I was looking, it was peak cherry blossom season. But like, I think that this is just more all year. And it's gorgeous. Oh, it's so gorgeous. So anyway, I still don't know what I'm going to do with this one yet. I might put it on another door in my house somewhere. Or like, I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, what should I do with it? You guys tell me down below. So my next is from Germany. You guys know I get one of these every month. Let's see. I actually went through my stuff. And I realized I had like duplicates of some products. So here we go, Be Perfectly Purified. So this is their, I believe I actually have this one and liked it, so maybe I'll do a giveaway. This is their Purifying Daily Detox Scrub. This is made with activated charcoal. Their products are awesome. Everything from them is all natural, fair trade, ethical, but it's also effective, which is really important with these sorts of products. And then the next one is the Purifying 2-in-1 Charcoal Mask, which they're great for this warm time of the year when you're sweating and you want to really get down and clean your pores. It's sealed, but I'm not going to unseal it yet in case I do give it away. But these are like really nice. So this one, you leave on your skin for 5 minutes or until it's dry. So this is going to dry. Moisten fingertips and massage gently in a circular motion to activate exfoliants. Concentrate on areas of congestion such as nose, chin, and forehead. Rinse thoroughly or remove with a damp cloth, pat dry. Use 1 or 2 times a week. And then this one is, I think, just a facial wash. Apply to clean, wet skin and gently scrub in a circular motion for up to 1 minute. Rinse with warm water and pat dry, gentle enough for daily use. So you can use this every day. This is cruelty-free, GMO-free, gluten-free, soy-free, recyclable, and made with wind energy, which is very, very cool. Now it says win big. All right, so anyway, I'm going to do full reviews. I'll link to those below. I'll also link to Derma East so you can check them out with my affiliate link. I have one more box here. I know what this is. So here's disclaimer, here I go. I always say this. Bzz Agent is one of those companies I've been working with for, it was like one of the first companies I ever reviewed. There's a cat creeping around over there. Like, you know, they send out free products to review. There's no special requirements. You don't need to have like a social media following, anything. They just want your honest opinions and to share with your friends, which you know. I do have a reviewer page on my blog. I always say, like, if you're looking for different companies to start out with, that's the place to check. I'll link to that. I'll also link to Bzz Agent. I'll also link to my full review of this product. I know it's in here. If I can ever get it open. Oh, hoi. Oh. Okay. So this is Hawaiian Tropic Antioxidant Sunscreen Lotion. This has green tea extract, SPF 30, UVA and UVB. I think this is a physical sunscreen. That's like a new thing, is it a physical or a chemical sunscreen, and how it acts and the amount of times you have to reapply and the way it affects your skin all depends on whether it's physical or chemical. I always forget the ingredients, which one has what, you know what I mean? So I will tell you guys the active ingredients in this are avobenzone, homosalate, octisalate, octocrylene, which is actual sunscreen. Let's smell it. I want to smell it. It's probably sealed, of course. Recommended daily use. Ooh, it has that good cocoa smell, like a cocoa butter. I don't know why I took the lid off. Well, I thought it was sealed. Oh, so there's like the formulation. It's like, it's not thin, it's not thick. It's just like a very lightweight. Oh, it smells good. It smells like the pool. Oh, I'm so excited. Who's excited for summer? I am. Oh, I like that. It's not greasy at all. So if it has antioxidant, it's good for aging, which is awesome. So this is great for women my age who have a skincare regimen that you're using, and you may not be able to, you know, if you're out at the pool, you're clearly, I don't know, if maybe you are wearing makeup. I don't know, but I don't. So you're able to like take care of your skin while you're sunning or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? All right, so that is everything that I got in this PR haul. If you don't like these videos, I'm sorry. Don't thumbs them down though. Just don't watch. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.